Hi, this is Rich, and I have a 2013 Ford Taurus. I want to replace the hood lift support on it. So let's go over there and see what we can do. First time I've done this, so you're watching a novice do this. Thanks for watching.
Ford service.
Okay.
So I went ahead and talked with my parts people and one of my advisors. So the shocks are about $35 a piece, and then probably about like $20 to install. So you're looking at $90 to $100 with tax.
The question is, how much can I save? Well, at AutoZone, I paid about $26 plus tax for each one. Now, I looked on Amazon, and they have various prices on their front hood lift support. And you just might check around. I just thought I'd want to go to a local business and just buy some. How much can I save? Well, I think the total cost of mine at AutoZone was about $56. So that would leave me about $44 profit, because they said $90 to $100, and I'm just going to say it cost $100. And see these little grooves here? Just right in here. I'm just going to pop that little thing out. Just like that. Wherever it went, there it went. Now I'm going to lift this up a little bit. Alright, are you watching it? I got my little scribe in there. Now I'm going to just sort of pry it out. And it just sort of clips on. Well, some little notes on this mighty lift, on this head, this hood lift. I put the socket in here into the ball, and it just popped in and popped out. And I thought, this isn't right. And then this was 90 degrees from where it's supposed to plug in on this small one. So I'm looking at the number. I go on the internet and look at the number, which is a 96560. And meanwhile, my wife is reading the instructions, and it says, on certain vehicles, your new lift support may mount upside down. I was trying to put it on like it was. This was on the bottom, and it kept popping out. So I had to also turn this 90 degrees. I called the manufacturer, the Mighty Lift manufacturer. I said, can I turn this? And she said, yes, you can turn it, but don't scratch this thing, because I guess the shock absorber, whatever you call it, if it gets scratched, then it won't, air will leak out and it won't do its job. So I made sure when I had some pliers is to turn it 90 degrees. So I put the little one on the bottom and the big one on top. And I just turned it till I lined up the hose, or the socket here, to go right on the ball. It wasn't that hard. It's a little difficult, but you can turn it pretty easily with just holding this and some pliers down here. Let's move on. And it's just so easy. It pops in. You know, I'm an old guy. I'm not that strong anymore. Not that I was ever strong. And let's go up to the top up here so you can see this. And this should just go straight in. So push up on a hood and push on it, and it's in. That's all it was. That's pretty easy. So it was a lot of fun changing these things. First time I've ever done this. And a couple tools you might want is, this is a scribe. You can find it in most, I guess you might say, tool stores, or like Harbor Freight, or maybe Home Depot, or Lowe's, different places like that. Or you could just use a small screwdriver to just pop that little plastic tab out. It was a fun time. It wasn't that hard of work, and I learned a lot of things. But the most thing, I guess you might say, I learned is to read the instructions. And sometimes that's hard for me to do. All in all, I sure appreciate you watching my video. If you could hit a thumbs up, like it, and subscribe, that'd help me out a whole bunch. And I hope this video has helped you. Have a great day.